Good morning, my dear students. This is Taskeen Khan from Vashi School. I hope you all are fit and fine. Kids, welcome to our English class. Today I will teach you 3-letter words of E sounds. Okay, so let's start. Okay kids, so today I will teach you 6 new words of E sounds, but before that we will revise the previous one. Okay, so kids, in previous class I have taught you 6 words, right? So first of all, today we will just read it once again, revise it. Okay, so you need to repeat it after me loudly. Okay, बेटा आपको भी मैम के साथ साथ जोर जोर से बोलना है. Okay, so let's start. What is the phonic sound of B? B, B, E, A, D, D. B, A, D, bed. Right? Next, N, E, A, T, T. N, at net. Next, T, T, E, A, N, T, N, 10. Right? Next, P, P, E, A, N, P, N, pen. Next, M, E, A, N, men. M and men. Okay, and last one is E, A, G, 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 A, G, G, egg. Okay kids, today I will teach you 3-letter words of E sound, new 6 words of E sounds. Okay, so first of all we will read it. यू नीड टू रिपीट इट आफ्टर मी. बेटा मैम के साथ साथ आपको रीड भी करना है उसे, ठीक है? और हमेशा बेटा जब भी आप होमवर्क कर रहे हैं तो आपको लाउडली बोल बोल के लिखना है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. ओके, व्हाट इज द फोनिक साउंड ऑफ एच? एच, ह, ई, ए, एन, ह, एन, hen. नेक्स्ट, आर, र, ई, ए, डी, ड. R, A, D, red. Next, D, D, E, A, N, D, N, den. Next, L, L, E, A, G, G, L, A, G, leg. Next, P, P, E, A, T, T, P, at pet. And the last one is W, W, E, A, B, B, W, A, B, web. Okay, so kids, now I will write it. You need to look carefully. बेटा आपको ध्यान से देखना है मैम कैसे लिख रहे हैं. Okay, so let's start. Slanting line up, then down, letter H, then letter E, and then letter N. Her and a hen. Next, R, E, and then letter D. R, add red. Next, slanting line, then C curve, then up, letter D, then letter E, and then letter N. D and den. Next, L, letter E, and then letter G. L, egg, leg. Next, slanting line, then standing line, letter P, then letter E, and then letter T. P, at pet. Last one is W, E, and then letter B. Web. Right? Kids, I will write it once again. सो किड्स लुक केयरफुली, बेटा ध्यान से देखिए, आपको इधर उधर नहीं देखना है, ठीक है? मैम की वीडियो ध्यान से देखनी है आपको बेटा। लेटर H, then letter E, and then letter N. Her and a hen. Next is letter R, letter E, and then letter D. Red, red. Next is letter D, then letter E, and then letter N. D and a den. Next is letter L, letter E, and then letter G. L, egg, leg. Next is pet. So letter P, then letter E, then letter T. P at pet. And the last one is web. So W, letter E, and then letter B. Verb, web. So kids, do this page 6 new words 2 times as a homework. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.